In hospital and clinical pharmacy, practical number 9 is to prepare and submit 100 ml in bracket 500 ml of 0.9% weight by volume sodium chloride intravenous injection IP. General concept for this practical is weighing, dissolve in vehicle, filter, then fill in the container, inspect for black and white particle, then go for sterilization, and finally do proper labeling. Formula given for this experiment is sodium chloride 0.9 gram, water for injection IP to make 100 ml. Chemical required for this experiment is sodium chloride IP. Glassware required for this practical is beaker, stirrer, measuring cylinder, glass bottle, rubber closure, aluminum foil, and thread. In procedure, accurately weigh 0.9 gram of sodium chloride. Now take 0.9 gram of sodium chloride in a beaker. Now accurately measure water for injection 100 ml. Add in a beaker containing 0.9 gram of sodium chloride. Stir it well. Now come towards aseptic room. Now it's a laminar airflow bench where we'll do filtration. Now see, in aseptic room there is a sinter glass filter. Let us start with the filtration. While performing this practical, see whether your blower button is on, light and UV tube is also on. Before starting your practical, your laminar airflow bench should be on half an hour so that it will have the proper functioning for your filtration. completion of your filtration, fill your sterile bottle. See for accuracy of 100 ml of your preparation. Fill it in your final container. Before filling in your final container of glass bottle, your glass bottle should be sterilized in hot air oven for complete dryness. Then seal it with aluminum foil along with thread. Now first we'll do inspection for clarity test. Keep your glass bottle under the clarity test apparatus first for white background to see whether black particles are present or not. Now turn your bottle towards black background to see white particles present in your glass bottle or not, and after that go for sterilization by using instrument autoclave. Now let us start with the procedure of autoclave. In this procedure, first plug in your autoclave. So here is the autoclave. In autoclave, first you should plug your switch and then open the lid of autoclave. After opening the lid, take stainless steel closure. Along with that, keep your bottle inside, then close it properly. While doing practical by using autoclave, see the level of your water that should be above your coil. Then close your autoclave with lid properly and then adjust your temperature and pressure. Temperature should be 121 degrees Celsius and your pressure should be 15 lbs. So go for pressure adjustment also. After achieving pressure 121 degrees Celsius, then count for timing up to 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of temperature 15 to 20 minutes, then go for unloading your sample. First remove your extra vapors from your knob, that is your wall. Safety wall is also present for the accuracy and safety purpose. Now on your button of switch. Now wait for achieving temperature up to 121 degrees Celsius and pressure up to 15 lbs. Now after 15 to 20 minutes, switch off your autoclave button. After that, unload your sample by doing following procedure. First, release extra steam. Then open your safety valve, and after that open all the lids properly. Now remove that stainless steel drum and take it in your preparation room for removal of container. Finally, go for labeling. While doing labeling, cool your bottle properly and then label it. See the label, sterile, pyrogen free and single dose container. This should be mentioned properly.